All right, let's talk about something that might sound a little intimidating at first: responding to a demand for production of documents in a California lawsuit. If you're a client of the law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez, this video is for you. I'm going to break down exactly what you need to know and what you need to do, step by step. First off, what is a demand for production of documents? In California, this is a formal request made during the discovery phase for you to provide specific documents or items the other side thinks are important. Both sides have the right to make these demands. Now, why is this such a big deal? You have a legal duty to respond. You must give written answers to each item requested, and if you have the documents, you must provide them. Ignoring or delaying this can seriously hurt your case. Here's the timeline. Once you get a demand from our office, you have just 10 days to respond and gather documents. 10 days goes by fast. Don't wait. Our team needs time to convert your responses into proper legal format and assemble a responsive packet. So, what do you have to do? Do a diligent, reasonable search. Look through your files, check your emails, check your phone if necessary. Also contact third parties who might have documents. Contact your doctor's office for medical records. Contact your employer for wage info. Contact anyone else who might hold needed documents. When you get notice from us, start immediately. Procrastination is your enemy. Waiting until the last minute can make proper response impossible and prejudice your case. Courts do not look kindly on missed deadlines. You could face penalties or have evidence excluded. Good news. The law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez uses an online discovery system. You'll get a link to type responses directly into each demand. We'll send a guide with examples of acceptable responses so you're not guessing. But if you don't respond on time or provide documents, the other side can ask the court to force compliance. That can mean sanctions, fines, or losing key parts of your case. Act quickly and take this seriously. Quick recap. Respond to our notice right away, do a thorough search, contact anyone who might have the documents. Let me be more specific about what a diligent search means. Check every relevant file folder you have, search your emails using keywords related to your case, and check photos or documents stored on your devices. For medical records, contact each healthcare provider you've seen related to your case. Get wage statements, employment records, and time-off documentation from your employer. Contact insurance companies for claim files and correspondence. Request bank statements if financial records are relevant to your case. Our secure online portal is easy to use, and you can also email your documents to us if that's more convenient. Each discovery demand will have a text box for your written response and will provide guidance for what to write. Remember, do not upload documents directly into the discovery system. Instead, use our secure portal or email them to our office. Track your progress and see what still needs to be completed. If you don't comply, the other side can file a motion to compel, which means going before a judge. The judge can order you to comply and impose sanctions. Sanctions can include paying the other side's attorney fees and court costs. Worse yet, the court might exclude important evidence that could help your case. When you respond properly and on time, we can build a strong case. Complete responses show the court you're serious about your case. This puts you in the best position for a favorable outcome. Don't wait. Start today. Call our office if you have any questions about the process. We're here to guide you through every step. If you have any questions, you may call Attorney Fernandez at 800-816-1529 extension 0. You can also visit our website at thepersonalinjury.com.
You may call us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on our California Personal Injury Hotline at 800-816-1529. Or go to callnorman.com now.
Callnorman.com. Car accident, slips and falls. There's just one place you should call.